President Draupadi Murmu graced the closing ceremony of the Diamond Jubilee celebrations of Bharat Scouts and Guides and addressed its 19th National Jamboree at Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, on Friday, 28 November. Speaking on the occasion, the President said that it is a matter of pride that for the past 75 years, Bharat Scouts and Guides has been guiding the youth and inspiring them to become active participants in nation building. She underlined that the spirit of service is the greatest strength of Scouts and Guides. Whether it's a flood, an earthquake, or an epidemic, Scouts and Guides are always at the forefront of assistance. Another hallmark of this organization is its promotion of national unity. She appreciated Bharat Scouts and Guides for making youth empowered, sensitive, and committed to work for the country's future. The President noted that there are over 6.3 million Scouts and Guides in India, which makes Bharat Scouts and Guides one of the largest Scouts and Guides organizations in the world. She was happy to note that more than 2.4 million girls are associated with this organization. She appreciated all those girls for choosing the path of discipline, dedication, and the welfare of society and humanity. The President said that the motto of Scouts and Guides is, "Be prepared." This means that one must be prepared to face any challenges that may arise in the future. She advised Scouts and Guides to develop the ability to face any challenge without hesitation, with determination and confidence. She said that whether it's technical skills, communication skills, team coordination, problem-solving skills, or leadership abilities, all will be helpful in their life. The President said that the youth of the nation are both the architects of this country's future and the guardians of its great cultural and civilizational traditions. A strong and sensitive individual can empower and sensitize many others, just like a lamp lights several other lamps. She expressed confidence that the youth will devote themselves to the development of our nation.